This is how to descale Ninja Luxe Coffee maker. You put water up to here, to the scale line. Then you add the espresso machine decliner into here, all of the bag. You take the double size one, you put the plastic thing inside, like this one. And then you put one of the tablets in the middle. Then you attach it back and you put the water tank back. And make sure you put this 475 ml of empty jug. And then you have to press the descale button, 90 minutes, and place start. After the descale, you want to clean the tank, fill your water, and clean it here. And let it run. After you done the descale, you will want to clean the net here. So press on it and start. And at the end you want to purge and unscrew that. And then clean this part.